What's up, guys? We are in Las Vegas. We're out here for commercial UAV, but it's actually Sunday today. Today is Sunday. Commercial UAV actually doesn't start till Tuesday, actually. And I'm out here way early, which means tomorrow we're probably going to do absolutely nothing but maybe fly. But we're out here flying these beautiful ridges out here at Red Rock Canyon. I got some amazing footage. I'm not sure if Billy got any footage. He's actually doing a search and rescue mission because he fucking he crashed the Avata, and he's trying to search for it. And the problem is it's 110 degrees out here, which makes this very difficult because the Avata is going to overheat actually really quickly, shut down, and then you won't be able to connect to it. So
you got it beeping, right?
I think it's shut down though, Lon. But we'll see if you can find the Avata. Hope you enjoy some of these clips. It's beautiful out here. And once again, I'm not wearing hiking shoes, I'm wearing freaking Vans. I was just talking to a guy that said he saw it go down, and he says it's over here where Billy's walking's a little too far. So he had a good set of eyes on it, so maybe it did go down in these shadows. But if we don't find it, we may have to come back out tomorrow and search for it. I don't even have my phone on me, so I can't even communicate with him. I'm gonna look over here and see if I can find it. Damn, and it is hot. It is miserable. Not a good situation right now. Searching where the guy said he saw it go down. But if it's in any of these bushes, it's probably as good as gone, unfortunately. Fuck, it's hot. This was a stupid idea. Damn it. And we're doing so good on the tables, too. Should have stayed in the casino. So I really hope he has the DVR for this thing, because that's the only way we're going to be able to find this thing, is to try to get a guesstimation. I should have brought water. I have water at the car. I should have brought it with me. I underestimated how hot it is. This is miserable. All right, keep looking. That dude is a fucking luck box. That's what Billy is. He's a luck box. Unbelievable.
Sit him at the table with you, bro.
Yeah, oh, we already did.
You already won money.
We put 100 on black and fucking won. That's how we gauge whether or not Vegas is going to be successful.
Yeah, okay.
All right, that's going to do it for the Calico Canyon Red Rock. I don't know why I'm wearing these sunglasses out here. It's the sun's down now, so I don't know why I'm wearing them. But anyways, super hot out here. It was at a peak of 112 degrees, the car was saying. If that's accurate, that's really hot, hottest I've ever flown in. Every single time I was taking off or changing any settings on the Avata, I kept it in front of the air vent to keep it as cool as I could before actually flying. So I think that definitely helped. I also kept myself out of the direct sunlight with the goggles, which again also helps sort of mitigate some of that overheating that people were complaining about. I didn't suffer any fogging this time, but again, this is in the desert. There is no humidity like what I'm facing out in Florida. So that definitely was good. And I also put some of that scuba diver spit, like it's not scuba diver spit, but it's an anti-fog spray. I put that on the inside of the goggles before I came out here just in case. And you know what? I gotta say, it's probably working because I had no issues whatsoever and it was super, super hot. I did notice though, really pushing the batteries, it drained really, really super fast. So that probably has a lot to do with how hot it is out here. But yeah, amazing views. I hope you guys enjoyed this footage. Billy was able to recover his Avata, which is awesome because I thought it was a goner. I really did. All right, we still got 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna be out here till Thursday. Thankfully, if you've ordered anything from the Etsy shop and you're seeing this video, I do have somebody printing and shipping while I'm gone. However, I will just tell you guys our shipping times are going to be a little bit longer than normal just because there's so many orders out there and I only have so many printers. So I'm getting to everybody as fast as I possibly can. I'm trying to make sure I also include Dobo stickers inside of all the orders. I appreciate all the support. I'll see you in the next video. Stay original. Oh my God, dude. That was amazing.
You got it?